Next topic, speed, time, and distance. Already we have discussed on these topics. First one was the definition of the speed, this is distance by time. Second was the average speed we have to find from the two distance. Third one was the distance we have to find from by giving the time. First half the speed and second half speed according to that. The fourth one was relating to the speed we have to find the second person speed. We have given this time period of two persons. Time is there, but we doesn't have any speed of the second person. One person's time has been given, so we have used here. You remember this all. And the fifth one was the relating to the for the we are going to the office at this kilometer and coming back with this kilometers. Then we have to find the speed, not speed. So again the distance we have to find is xy by x plus y by t. The sixth one was relating to the usual speed. He's walking through a distance he had walking. So what will be the his actual distance has to cover? So here we have to remember if it is less than 1, then we have to use a minus 1. If it is greater than 1, then 1 minus b by a. Seventh point was related to constants, speed, time, distance. We have discussed that distance have certain features that the distance never travel, never having a speed. It is always constant. As we know, it is always constant. Station is always constant to another station. Like that. So it is the one case is inversely proportional. Left of the speed and time is directly proportional. You have to remember this thing. The eighth point was related to the pole. A train is passing through a pole, a train is passing through a bridge, a passing through a platform, whatever it may be. If it is traveling through a pole only, then the length of the train, length of the distance has been traveled by the train is nothing. Has the length? What is the length of the train will be equal to the length of the distance he traveled. The pole will give you the answer that if it is traveling through a platform, then we have to plus the platform length and the train length. If it is traveling to a bridge, then the distance will be the bridge distance and the train distance. You have to calculate. Now we are coming to the today's topic. In the picture, there is so many trains are there. Well, let us discuss on the same. When two trains are moving opposite direction, the relative speed is equal to the sum of both trains. Okay, when we know that in you traveling in trains, in opposite directions, in certain situations, the train has come, and we have to calculate on this situation. We have to add that speed of the both trains. If one train is coming with a 80 speed in my opposite that is coming with a 90, then 90 plus 80 is absolutely 170. We are coming to the second point. When two trains travel at same direction, then relative speed becomes the difference of the both trains. It's very easy, as we know that while traveling to a long distance, in some situation at some certain point, we have seen that another train has been there on the right side of us on the same speed. Maybe a 10 kilometer per hour is increasing, maybe a little bit more speed than us hour. So our speed is 30 kilometers, then the another train speed is 40 kilometers. Then what is the difference of relating speed is asked. Really, what is the relating speed? When we relate both, there is a 10-kilometer difference is showing. So the opposite train will go fast at certain point of distance. We can tell, we can find the distance like that. Now we are coming to the one solution of that. When two trains are moving opposite direction at a speed of 120 km or 250 km, then the relating speed becomes, as we know that is opposite direction, definitely we have to add this, that is 370 kilometer per hour. When it is opposite, we know that it will become 80, 50, that is 130. 130 will be the answer. 130 kilometers is the relative speed. When two trains are moving in same direction, the same 45 kilometer, 35 kilometers, definitely the relative speed will be 10 kilometer per hour. I hope you understand this video. Very simple. Don't make anything complication. We have to find out the distance. Every situation, certain situation, how to find out the distance. Don't worry about it. In certain situation we have to find the speed. We can apply the same formula as we use here in certain situations. So I'm giving you every examples of the same and repeating. I'm giving you while making you clear of this session easy for you to handle. I hope you understand this video, and the calculation is very easy. Don't worry about anything. You have to calculate it everything in your mind. I'm saying everything in mind. A little bit hard work is there initially, then it becomes very easy for you to understand. Thank you for watching my video.